Heat recovery ventilator is air circulation and ventilation. The push for energy efficiency has meant tighter houses, windows and doors that seal, caulked cracks in the sidings so that no air drafts. No, once the air is in the house, it's trapped. It stays in the house. Nevertheless, we need fresh air year-round. Matter of fact, ASHRAE, A-S-H-R-A-E, the American Society of Heating, Refrigeration, and Air Conditioning Engineers, recommends changing more than a third of all the air in the house every hour. Why? First, excessive moisture needs to be vented from bathrooms, laundry areas, and the kitchen. Excessive moisture promotes mildew, mold, and bacteria. 2, there are pollutants in the air that need to get out. These pollutants come from everything from gas ranges to chimneys that leak to unvented gas space heaters to breathing. Sure, you could open a window, but if it's in the middle of winter, there goes your heating bill. So maybe the house has a heat recovery ventilator, an HRV. As you run your forced air heating system, the HRV splits off a portion of it and exhausts it to the outside. At the same time, it pulls fresh air into the house from the outside. The two air streams pass by each other in the heat recovery ventilator. The heat from the stale outgoing air is transferred to the fresh incoming air, so the fresh air is heated somewhat before it's circulated around the house. Some HRVs can transfer as much as 80% of the heat energy from the outgoing air to the incoming air, saving quite a bit of money. You can get your fresh air and heated too.
I've got a lot more great stuff for you at houseiq.information. If you like what you've seen so far, do me a favor and tap the subscribe button so you don't miss future videos. And click the link to watch some more great stuff right now.